Welcome to McGill Robotics. We're a student-led engineering design team from McGill University. Our mission is to inspire students to develop skills in robotics by providing them with access to resources and knowledge. Throughout development and testing, safety has been our top priority. During manufacturing, we face risks such as inhalation of fine particles while cutting materials like carbon fiber or fiberglass, and coming into contact with harsh chemicals while doing composite layups. To mitigate these risks, we took all necessary precautions, including wearing necessary PPE, proper ventilation during composite work, and machine shop training for all of our members. In electronic assembly and during testing, we mitigated risks such as LiPo battery fires by storing them properly in LiPo battery bags in a cool and dry environment and charging them under surveillance and at the correct voltage. Before every flight, we conduct a pre-flight checklist, which includes inspection of all electrical and mechanical components. We also enforce a clear safety perimeter when powering on the drone. Our drone software includes geofencing, automatic fail-safe behavior, and real-time telemetry monitoring. Manual override is always available via our safety pilot. Risks during flight include communication loss and hardware failures. We mitigate those through multi-level testing, real-time monitoring, and ensuring members of the team always have eyes on the drone and communicate with the safety pilot.